Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying that your laptop or phone actually supports video over USB-C. This is the single most important check. Once done, pick a certified Type-C Hdtv cable matching your target resolution and refresh rate so you avoid handshake issues. Make sure to plug your device into external power if the cable does not provide power delivery, because low battery can disable video output on some devices. These steps prevent wasted time when you connect the display. You now physically connect the Type-C Hdtv cable to your device and the TV input, then switch the TV to that input so the handshake can start. After the connection, go into your device's display settings to choose Mirror or Extend and set the correct resolution and scaling. Selecting native resolution avoids blurry output. If the image looks cropped or letterboxed, adjust aspect ratio on the TV and the display output on the device to align them precisely. Finish by confirming audio and display behave as expected. You should set the TV as the audio output when sound stays on the device. If you experience flicker, intermittent disconnects, or wrong resolutions, update graphics drivers and any firmware for your USB-C controller, because compatibility fixes often live in updates. If problems persist, try a different certified Type-C Hdtv cable and another HDMI port to determine whether the cable, the TV input, or the host device is at fault. This single swap often reveals the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.